In this tutorial, we're just going to have a look at how to neatly sew in ends. So it's very easy. We've got a square here already made, lots of ends to sew in. So I'm going to start with my magic circle here. I've already threaded the needle. So where I come out, the direction that I have been going round here, I'm going to skip a stitch and go in the reverse. Just pull it through. So trim that. So we'll do another just to see. Fingers and thumbs. So here, go into the dark blue where it can't be seen, and out there. So this time I'm going to skip over a light blue, back under, trim, along a row, inside, skip the first one, go back a few, trim. And that's how to get nice neat sewn in ends. So you don't know where they are, they're not going to come out. And if you'd like to make any of these squares, please feel free to join my Let's Make a Square tutorials.